Alrighty, hello everyone. Chief Weather Forecaster Beckett Webb here inside the Highland Weather Studios. Welcome to Highland Weather Live. It is currently Wednesday, the 12th of February, 2025. Let's go and get this started here of what I am tracking. Colder temperatures continue. Heavy rain continues into the day. Flooding threat continues, and colder temperatures return into next week. Looking at today's hourly forecast, check this out. Showers all the way through 12 a.m. Temperatures will remain in the lower to mid 40s before dropping into the lower 40s around 8 p.m. before warming up a little bit around midnight around 41 degrees. So we're just staying in those 40s all day today with rain all day, non-stop. Looking at today and tonight's forecast, showers and patchy fog here, high at 42. Showers continue into tonight, lows in the lower 40s, around 40 degrees. Looking here, the latest active weather alerts here, we have a winter weather advisory and the ice storm warning that is set to expire this morning at 7 a.m., so those are no longer in effect. Now, flood watch here in our East Tennessee counties will remain throughout much of the day today and will expire tomorrow morning around 7 o'clock. So make sure to beware of that flooding throughout much of East Tennessee into western North Carolina. Continuing into that future cast here, as we continue throughout much of the morning, the second round of rainfall continues into our area. 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, still moderate to very heavy rainfall. Still raining around 5 o'clock before drying out around 5, 6 o'clock. But then that next round still continues, and then more moderate to very heavy rainfall starts to push its way through around 11 p.m. tonight. And it's still continuing, and it's 3 o'clock before finally pushing to our upstate South Carolina and Piedmont, North Carolina counties around 3 a.m. And then we're finally seeing it drying out around 7 a.m. with scattered showers there along the North Carolina and Tennessee state line around Thursday morning. And then we finally see it just completely dry out by the afternoon hours tomorrow. So that's some good news there. But overnight tonight, throughout much of this morning into this afternoon, that ice that still remains there, we can see potential icing right near Boone at 0.75 to 0.99 inches. That is some very heavy ice accumulations. Make sure you are checking the forecast there. Ice accumulations towards Asheville will be about a trace to 0.10 inches, but the more moderate to very heavy ice accumulations will be along near Boone in that area along the North Carolina Tennessee state line. That rainfall threat still continues. We have about, we could see about 4 to 6 inches there towards Andrews, just west of Asheville. And then we could see Asheville, the metro, could see about 1 to 2 inches. Other locations about 3 to 4 inches. Going down towards Greenwood, that's also about getting 1 to 2 inches. But as we go towards central South Carolina, about 1 to 2 inches. So nothing too bad, but the temperatures will remain relatively cold. 43 in Asheville, 42 in Greenville-Spartanburg, 44 in Anderson, 46 in Greenwood, 43 in Columbia, 41 in Charlotte, 38 in Hickory, 35 in Boone, 37 in Winston-Salem, 44 in Toccoa, 51 in Andrews, 55 in Gatlinburg, and 52 in Knoxville. Looking at tonight's forecast, 36 in Asheville, 37 in Greenville-Spartanburg, 38 in Anderson, 38 in Greenwood, 41 in Columbia, 38 in Toccoa, 43 in Gatlinburg, 43 in Knoxville, 34 in Hickory, 36 in Charlotte, and 33 in Winston-Salem. Looking at tomorrow's minimum temperatures, let's see, can we go here? So that's mislabeled. This is the maximum temperatures for tomorrow. 39 in Asheville, 40 in Greenville-Spartanburg, 41 in Anderson, 44 in Greenwood, 44 in Greenwood, 43 in Columbia, 46 in Gatlinburg, 48 in Andrews, 42 in Toccoa, 39 in Charlotte, 36 in Hickory, and 34 in Boone. Looking at tomorrow night's minimum temperatures, 30 in Boone, 36 in Gatlinburg, 36 in Greenville-Spartanburg, 37 in Anderson, 38 in Greenwood, 41 in Columbia, 38 in Toccoa, 43 in Gatlinburg, 42 in Knoxville, 43 in Andrews, 35 in Wadesboro, 33 in Greensboro, and 32 in Hickory. Lastly, taking a look at our 7-day forecast here, we still have a weather warning day in effect for today because of that flooding threat. We have a 100% chance of precipitation. Highs will be in the lower 40s, lows in the lower 40s again. And then we look into Thursday, the showers still continue throughout much of the morning on Thursday, about a 60% chance. Highs in the mid to upper 50s, lows in the lower to mid 20s. Friday, we finally see that sunny conditions return. Highs in the upper 40s, lows in the lower 30s. Rain returns back into the forecast Saturday and Sunday. Temperatures will remain in the mid to upper 50s, lows in the upper 40s to lower 20s. About a 90% chance of precipitation, so make sure you have that raincoat ready throughout much of the throughout much of the weekend this weekend, before we see those skies start to dry out on Monday, with temperatures getting cold again. Highs in the lower 40s, lows in the mid 20s, and then mostly sunny skies return on Tuesday. Highs in the lower 50s and lows in the upper to mid 20s. Alrighty, everyone, I'm Chief Forecaster Beckett Webb here. Have a great rest of your day. Have a great rest of your Wednesday. I will be back with a look at our Thursday forecast here on Highland Weather Live tomorrow morning at 7 a.m. Make sure you join Forecaster Jackson tonight at 8 p.m. with Highland Weather Primetime with Jackson Warburn. We'll leave you with a live look at downtown Asheville. Have a great rest of your day, and we'll see you all on the next update.